Hi, I'm Anya from Ocarina Workshop. In this video we will learn about melody. A melody is made from individual notes of different pitches and rhythms being played one after another. This creates a tune, a melody. Can you guess these two melodies? These two melodies are both major, which means that when you listen to them, then they sound happy. I will play these two melodies to you again, but in the minor key, so notice how they sound sad. Let's play something together now. This is major, which sounds happy. And this is minor, which sounds sad. So to recap, a major melody sounds happy and a minor melody sounds sad. Now that you've learnt about major and minor melodies, we can now look at ascending and descending. Play this with me. This is an ascending scale, which means that the notes are getting higher. Now let's play the scale descending, so the notes are getting lower. So now that you understand what ascending and descending mean, we can play an ascending and descending melody. Play the notes with this rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great! In your own time, have a go at composing some melodies. For a major melody, here are the notes. And these notes will make a minor melody. Remember to think about ascending and descending when you're composing. Here's an example.